back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. They're getting ready. Old Bruce has got the green flag in hand. Will he be able to wave it as they come off of turn number 4? They're bunched up and knotted up. Here we go. The green flag flies for this B main feature here tonight as they go down in turn number 1. We have got them on the track, ladies and gentlemen, and they are getting them, trying to get them lined out as they work down, and they didn't let it go. They don't let it go. Didn't like it. Something didn't like it. So they're going to back it up and punt. This ain't football, but we're going to back it up and punt here right now as we're getting ready. Colby Horner out front there in that 15H. They're going to line them back up 2 by 2, just like you would if you was doing a tango, I guess, 2 by 2. And we'll go down the back straightaway, and we're going to try and get this party started this next time. By 10 laps is all you got, so you can't wait to get going. You've got to be ready whenever this green flag drops. You got to kind of be in a hurry to get up there in that one of the top 6 spots. Here we go. They got 6 transfer positions ready to go right now. Pearson Davidson is on the bubble. Here they go. Green flag is in the air, and Colby Horner brings them down to that turn number 1 as he goes off of turn number 2. On the outside of him, and that's 60, Gary Blanken tried to make a move, but he got wound up on the back straightaway. They go down in 3 off of turn 4. We got on the inside 10 Bounds trying to make something happen as they come. He does take that second spot as they go down to the 1 and 2. Ladies and gentlemen, we already got 9 laps to go, and right now Colby Horner is showing the way in that race. Nobody's making, got one in almost in turn 4. He saves it. And they got a race going down here off of turn number 2. We've got the 15H and the 15D. 2 15s must be a good number in the Sportsman class tonight. They're 1 and 2 right now as they work off turn number 4. Colby Horner right now showing the way. And Bryson Daniels in second place in that 15D. Trying to make a move. Can't do it. Got the door closed on him. And we got a caution. Caution, ladies and gentlemen. On the turn 1. Got one plumb up on the inside wall, on the outside wall in turn 1. What a race we've got going on here. Colby Horner and Bryson Dennis, both 15H and 15D. Those guys are working extra hard to try to make that transfer spot. You know, sometimes you think, if I can just ride right here, I just got to get in the top 6. It looks like old Colby Horner is going to get started out front all by himself. You got to be happy about that. But there again, you got to choose. Which one do I go? Do I stay in the middle? Do I go up top? Do I go down low? I don't know. I'm glad he's in that seat and I'm in this seat because I'm telling you, I don't know. I'd mess up and I'd be right straight in the back because I wouldn't know what to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Bruce, has he got the flag in hand? Will he fly? He waves it. He's got it, and he waves the green flag. Colby Horner leads them down to turn number 1 as your current leader, ladies and gentlemen. But there he is on the outside. Gary Blanken trying to get a run off of turn 2 to make a move on Bryson Dennis. He can't. But he's not giving up, and he's going a little bit high, trying that middle line to make it work. But, man, we got them piled up down in 4, ladies and gentlemen. Caution's on the track. Oh, my goodness, man. There it is. The kitchen sink was just thrown down in turn 4 and gathered a bunch of them up down there, ladies and gentlemen. Several cars involved. Well, that's going to take several of the cars out. Hopefully they could continue, but, man, they keep that up. We're on a 10-minute time limit here, so – well, there you go. Got to lift it up. I'll tell you what, though, man, I got to tip my hat, though, the Volunteer Speedway track crew and stuff that takes care of this place around here, man. They work hard. Those guys put in the work, and they try to keep this race going. Look at there. They're going to lead it in. They're going to put the – good job, guys. Help them get him off of the track. If we could get 7 more laps run here, ladies and gentlemen, and then – we'll have our feature set for the Sportsman late models. Yeah. And here we go. Green flag flies. What a run he gets off of turn number 4. Tried to get it, couldn't. There we go, off of turn number 2. It looks like Colby Horner is going to still show the way. Bryson Dennison trying to get it, man, as he comes off of turn number 4. He doesn't have enough of a run. He's going low, trying to work the low side of the track can't get enough of a run, enough bite off the corner to do anything with Kobe Horner right now. Kobe Horner going low this time. And slides up midway. Uh-oh, look at there. He pulls right up alongside. Bryson Dennis, can he get it done at turn 1? As they go off to turn 2, they're side by side going on a drag race down the back straightaway. Going into turn number 3. Here he's on the inside. Does he make it happen? He's got the run on the outside. No, Kobe Horner's going to hold the spot as they go down in turn number 1. And we've got 4 laps to go. One slowed down on the back straightaway. They're going to keep it green or they're going to throw the yellow? I don't know. They're still racing. Oh, he almost got took out as they come off. They got the green flag still in hand. Woo, man, I tell you what. Oh, got two around down here. Up. On the front straightaway, caution flag. Oh, my goodness, Lord. Woo. Wow.
Big Kev.
Yeah.
Colby Horner and Bryce and Dennis are stealing the show.
What?
I think you and I went woo at the same time.
What a race that was. Those guys had. And I'm going to tell you what's going to be fun.